guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So today is 21st of December. I'm actually going to my sister's school to take her home from the hostel. This is the school where my sister studies, JNV. I think anyone who has stayed in hostel can relate to this moment of excitement upon seeing your parents. After reaching home, we went to our grandparents' house to attend the last carol of the year 2024. It's almost 12 at night and tomorrow is the new year of Tripuri people. So my aunts, they came to our house to celebrate TRING together.
Happy TRING! Red color night hoga. 널 왜 블로거 다이래 여기네.
The next day.
Today my sister and my cousin sister will be baptized. So we have gathered for the baptism ceremony. We just came back from church, meet my sister. Her name is Laimi.
Happy TRING! Happy TRING! Belai no hambai.
라이미, 카니.
Samong puluh kese, senar sabai kenari kese, sini panaknya nak kebo. Ambaga ibarat belan, hamil mar, wabah kese,
Yan, nahalak ni Kai?
ada sebut kamen bagi ni.
Kani.